Hey there, money-minded folks! Ever heard of a game-changing money-making method that's so fresh? It's practically a hidden gem? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm about to spill the beans on this untapped online gold mine. Now, there are some gatekeepers out there, but my mission today is all about putting you first, helping you reach your goals, and pocketing those first few $100 online. Trust me, the potential here is colossal. We are talking financial freedom, the ability to kiss debt goodbye, and unlocking possibilities beyond your wildest dreams. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain with a step-by-step guide that won't cost you a dime. Zero investment, my friend. Best part? It's up for grabs no matter where you are in the world. Welcome to the gateway of online income. Ready to uncover ways to make money from the comfort of your home? Explore proven methods, discover new opportunities, and unlock the secrets of making money online. To ensure you don't miss out on any valuable insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. Stay connected, ensuring you're the first to be notified whenever a new video is released. Get ready to turn your ambitions into reality. Let's get started. Okay, back to business. Step 1. Head over to goodoldyoutube.com and search for motivational videos. You'll find a treasure trove of results with millions of views. And no, you won't need to be the next Spielberg. We've got a different game plan in mind. Stay tuned. And here's the kicker. No need for a camera or a YouTube channel. I'm about to spill the beans and a best-kept secret for raking in those big bucks. And trust me, there's a gold mine of viewers hungry for this intel. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty. In step 1, venture over to uii.io, where you will have the thrilling task of handpicking not one, not two, but 3 videos from the search results. These are your golden nuggets, your secret sauce unlocking the potential of this money-making venture. Now in step 2, we are taking it up a notch. Head over to uii.com, where the magic happens. You will be earning cold, hard PayPal cash by enticing people to click on your unique link. The concept is beautifully simple. Sign up for a free account and I will guide you through the quick process of shortening your link. Voila, every click is a direct deposit into your PayPal account. What's exciting is that people from all corners of the globe are turning this into a daily payday. You're not just earning money, you are earning money per click. And depending on where your audience hails from, you are looking at varying amounts of moolah. For instance, a click from the United Kingdom, that's a cool $5 in your pocket. Norway, well, the rates are neatly laid out on their website, waiting for you to explore. Let me emphasize the beauty of this strategy. It's a rinse and repeat process. Shorten your link, get people to click, and watch the money flow in like a steady stream. It's a foolproof game plan and we are sticking to it. So off you go to YouTube, scout out 3 different videos, and let's turn those clicks into cash. Easy peasy, right? The path to financial freedom just got a whole lot clearer. When you find that perfect YouTube video, hit the share button. But here's the twist. Don't share the direct link. We are heading to uii.io to give it a snazzy shortening. Now the real puzzle is, how do you get folks to take the bait and click? Fear not, my friend, I've whipped up a nifty copy and paste script to do the heavy lifting. It's called Motivate Yourself Like Never Before. And you can snag the whole script right here. Copy, paste, and voila, you're good to go. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of signing up for your free account. It's a piece of cake. Just give that sign up for free button a click and you will land on a page where you can breeze through the registration process. Pop in your username, email address, and password, and ta-da! You're in. Once you're rocking that brand new account, feast your eyes on all the stats, clicks, money, the whole shebang. Granted, if it's fresh out of the oven, expect a neat 0 for now. No worries though, we are about to change that. I want to walk you through this process with a brand spanking new account, so you can mirror each move and start raking in that sweet PayPal cash. Hit the new shorten link button and a window magically appears, just like the one below. Now swing back to YouTube, Snag that first video you want to share, hit the share button, and copy the YouTube URL link. I'll keep it simple, maybe tag it motivational, and hit the short button. Like magic, UI.io does its thing, giving you a special short link. Share that link and every click leads something straight to the YouTube video, putting dollars in your pocket for each click. Simple, right? Let the clicking and cashing commence. But before we go, I want you to know that I'm always making new content, so make sure to like my video and subscribe to it so you don't miss anything. Alright champs, it's your time to shine. We're all ears, so drop your thoughts below. But hey, let's not get too comfy. It's time to dive back into the grind and rake in some cash. Now here's the drill. Copy that snappy shortened link, swing back to our trusty copy and paste script. Scroll on down, slap that link in the section and you are golden. Rinse and repeat as you move on to the second columns and beyond. More links equal more cash. It's a simple numbers game. Once you've got your lineup sorted, hit up the File tab, download and stash this masterpiece as a PDF on your computer. Why? Because we are gearing up to unveil the final move. A game changer, folks. Picture this, a surge of clicks flooding your shortened links, bringing in free traffic by the truckload. So get ready for the grand finale. Head over to the website I'm about to spill the beans on, and you will be swimming in clicks. Stay tuned, hustlers. Alright, my savvy sidekicks, buckle up because we are about to unveil the piece de resistance. Head over to the thriving hub that is slideshare.net, where knowledge aficionados share their wisdom through documents and eye-catching slideshows. It is like a goldmine for free traffic, and I've got a sneak peek at the exciting content people are tossing up on slideshare.com. Now, to get in on the action, it's as simple as signing up for a free account. Just hit that sign up button, perch at the pinnacle, and follow the breadcrumbs leading you to a world of possibilities. Once you are in, seize the moment by hitting the upload button, opening the gateway to fame, where we will gracefully deposit our masterpiece, the PDF file, right there on slideshare.net. But why is this a golden opportunity, you ask? Well, hold onto your hats. Slideshare.net hosts an astronomical 160 million monthly visitors, all eager to devour new knowledge. This is your chance to generously share our document for free, capturing the attention of readers far and wide. And here's the kicker. If their appetite for wisdom leads them to crave more, a simple click on your link catapults them into our money-making video. It is the ultimate win-win scenario. You are not just spreading quality content, but you're also cashing in on every click. The stage is set, my hustlers. It is showtime. In general, unlock your earning potential with this video that introduces a unique method revolving around YouTube videos, shorting links and earning through clicks. It is all about sharing these concise links to YouTube content via UII.io or UII.com and turning every click into cash. With each click on these links, you are stepping closer to a steady stream of income. Join in and explore this strategy to maximize your earnings by encouraging clicks through various channels. That concludes our video showing different ways to earn money online. Thanks for being a part of this informative exploration into making money on the internet. If you're hungry for more tips and strategies, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell. Your support fuels our content creation. Until next time, happy earning!